What do you like to do? Let's talk about expressing likes and dislikes with infinitives. When asking someone what he or she likes to do, you say, ¿Qué te gusta hacer? Or ¿Qué le gusta hacer? You use te with the informal expression and le with the formal expression. When answering this question, ¿Qué te gusta hacer? You use me gusta. Me gusta means I like in the working translation. In the literal translation, it means something pleases me. When you use me gusta to express something you like to do, you add an infinitive. And remember, an infinitive is the basic form of a verb ending with AR, ER, or IR. So let's look at our first example. Me gusta hablar por teléfono. I like to talk on the phone. Me gusta leer. I like to read. Sometimes you will see a mí in front of me gusta, and this is to show emphasis. A mí me gusta textear. I like to text. Here's another question. ¿Te gusta? ¿Te gusta means do you like? For example, ¿Te gusta jugar al fútbol? Do you like to play soccer? Or ¿Te gusta escuchar música? Do you like to listen to music? These are yes or no questions. So to answer positively, you can say, Sí, me gusta jugar al fútbol. Yes, I like to play soccer. Or to answer negatively, you say, No, no me gusta escuchar música. No, I don't like to listen to music. Let's look at two more examples. ¿Te gusta dibujar? Do you like to draw? Let's answer positively, but in a greater way. Sí, me gusta mucho dibujar. Yes, I like to draw a lot. ¿Te gusta montar en bicicleta? Do you like to ride a bike? Let's answer negatively, but in a greater way. No, no me gusta nada montar en bicicleta. No, I don't like to ride a bike at all. Here's another question. With this question, you are going to have a choice between two things. ¿Qué te gusta más? ¿Qué te gusta más translates as, what do you like more? Or, what do you like better? Or, what do you prefer? All of these translations are acceptable. So let's look at a complete question. ¿Qué te gusta más? ¿Hacer la tarea o jugar videojuegos? What do you like more? To do homework or to play video games? Let's go with the more studious answer. Me gusta más hacer la tarea. I like to do homework more. Now it's your turn. Answer the following question. ¿Qué te gusta más? ¿Practicar deportes o escribir cuentos? I'm sure you did a great job. Until next time.